Meet Craig. Craig is a very smart and hardworking businessman and has built a solid business that generates good income and employs lots of people. Also, in his spare time, Craig has made a few savvy real estate investments that have appreciated in value and even pays him a nice positive cash flow every month. But there's a problem. Even with all of his success, Craig is concerned that he isn't doing all he can to build, manage, and preserve his money to provide for himself and his family. You see, Craig has been having little nagging questions that keep him up at night. Questions like, is he paying more in taxes than he needs to? Is he properly preserving his wealth so he can leave money for his kids and grandkids? Can he afford to support causes that he believes in without sacrificing his lifestyle or his family's future? Like so many people, Craig realized he didn't know what he didn't know. So he met with one of the wealth strategy managers at Kel-Star Consulting. The Kel-Star advisor met with Craig and discussed an extremely beneficial but little-known wealth strategy using a private family foundation trust. Craig learned that if he created a private family foundation charity in the form of a trust, he could donate up to 30% of his personal income to his charity as a tax-deductible contribution. That's 30% of his income, tax-free. And as the trustee of his foundation, Craig would maintain control of the money and how it is spent and invested. Also, Craig learned that his friends, family, other business, as well as his own company can make charitable donations to his foundation and take a tax deduction for the contribution. And if that wasn't enough, Craig was blown away when the Kel-Star advisor explained the benefits of a private family foundation on his real estate holdings. Craig learned that all properties transferred to or purchased by the foundation pay no real estate taxes or fees, no income taxes, no sales tax, no capital gains tax, and have no 1031 exchange limit. Craig was very happy to have finally found a company like Kel-Star Consulting that could explain financial strategies used by the wealthiest 1% of Americans to the average person in a simple, straightforward, and easy-to-understand way. But more importantly, Craig was relieved to get rid of those little nagging questions that were keeping him up at night, because he now knows that he is building, managing, and preserving his family's name and wealth properly and creating a legacy that will support causes that his family believes in well into the future. Just like Craig, you too can put in place a wealth strategy using a private family foundation to protect and secure your loved one's future today. Feel free to schedule a free 30-minute consultation with one of our advisors.